Chief of the Philippine National Police, General Romel Martin, other officers, PNP, of course, my fellow members of the Board of Trustees of the PNP Foundation, are present this morning. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I'll make this short. Si Papa talaga si Chief. How time flies. 25 years ago, on November 28, 1999, barely 12 days after my appointment as the, if I'm not mistaken, 8th Chief of the Philippine National Police, I was at the forefront of this organization's two-pronged battle. One directed against criminal gangs and syndicates, the robbers, kidnappers, drug lords, and the like. And with equal intensity and vigor, I was also training our guns on what I had labeled then as the ICUs within our ranks, meaning the inept, corrupt, and undisciplined policemen, especially focusing on the so-called cotton packs, or marking policemen in the streets who were preying on hapless motorists, public utility vehicles, and vegetable dealers who had to shell out portions of their daily earnings while plying their trade as part of their daily ordeal. I believe then, as I still believe it now, that for an organization to properly do its job and accomplish its goals, there is no better way than leading its members who have AID. A, meaning aptitude, integrity, discipline. Yun po yung antidote. I still remember while the PNP at that time was enjoying the trust and approval of many Filipinos, tinanong po ako ni President Era kung kailan daw ako mag-retire. Sabi ko sa niya, since under the PNP law, 4 years of tenure ng Chief PNP, November 2003, kasi appointed ako November 16, 2003. Sabi niya, hindi, sabay na lang tayong bababa sa June 2004. As he had promised, sabay nga kami bumaba, kaya lang, hindi June 2004, January 2001. In a strange twist of fate, I found myself filing my certificate of candidacy to become an elected senator of the Republic, continuously serving 3 terms, or 18 years, interrupted for 3 years from 2013 to 2016 by the 2-year or the two-term limit provision under the 1987 Constitution. My police aide-de-camp then was a young and dashing police officer, usually quiet and reserved but noticeably observant and efficient. Tago na lang natin siya sa pangalang Pateng. Then, Police Inspector, Senior Inspector Carbano, Jose Melencio Natates. He is now in the PNG Command Group as his second most senior police officer sa seniority. Fast forward to a year later, in 2000, some civic-minded private citizens, businessmen, bankers, finance managers, and anti-crime advocates, in a display of appreciation to the genuine services rendered by the police to their communities all over the archipelago, conceived of forming and actually putting up a PNP foundation by tapping on generous donors who provide the seed money designed to be held in perpetuity, utilizing only the interest earnings to provide equipment and logistical support to its one and only beneficiary or recipient of donations, the Philippine National Police. And today is one of those many occasions when your foundation is again giving out, or actually has given out, albeit in our own small and humble way, some equipment supplies to a number of PNP units. As we, the members of the Board of Trustees, look at each other during our board meetings and other related activities, we cannot help but notice that nobody among us is getting any younger, which is actually a euphemism for getting old. And this is one of the reasons why we are currently looking for equally enthused individuals to carry the torch on of the PNPFI and move on through the next 20 25 years. I assure those who may be interested that it is very fulfilling and self-gratifying to experience the task that we are currently performing. With that being said, today is one of those fulfilling endeavors. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.